Great. Welcome back. My name is Michael Smith, and today I wanted to do a quick tutorial on Bulk Listing Pro. So if you're unfamiliar with Bulk Listing Pro, go ahead and go to the Chrome Web Store and type in Bulk Listing Pro. And it'll show up here. You click on that and you will download that Chrome extension. Will show up in your extensions up here at the right, and it is the big orange B. So what is Bulk Listing Pro? Bulk Listing Pro allows you to upload videos, SEO optimized listings to Etsy. So first thing I'm going to do is head over to my Etsy listings. I'm going to click on the big orange B. All right, so this is the extension you're looking at, and I guess I can go through the tabs. One of the first few things that you're going to notice is there are three tabs. You have an upload tab, a research tab, and you have an account tab. So of course the account tab is going to have all of the basic information. It's got your profile. It has the number of credits you have in your account. It also has a referral and an affiliate code here and here. So you can click copy if you are part of an affiliate program, or if you just want to refer a friend, you can copy this and you'll get 100 free credits, and that's great. Each credit's about 4 cents. So I know there are a lot of users out there that have hundreds of items that they need to upload, and it's a pain to upload this stuff to Etsy. It takes a very long time. So Etsy Bulk Upload provides an interface for you to either upload one listing. You can open up the listing editor, and this is a form view, and you can upload a multitude of listings. So, and you can do that in several different ways. Again, there's in the tab itself, the panel itself, you can come down here and click on create single listing. This form's going to open up, and you can put the title, whatever category it is, the description, price, tags, and the image, and of course your digital file, whatever that may be, and click upload, and it'll actually navigate you through Etsy directly, which is a great feature. Etsy also has an API which is actually very restricted, so with that API being so restricted, it makes shop owners and power shop listers manually have to upload everything. So that's why this tool is available. So again, in the editor, you have several different ways you can upload using a form. You'll click on add listing, and this form that looks exactly like this one, it's just in the larger view. You can go ahead and fill this form in, whatever listing you want, but if you have a multiple or a multitude of those, you can click on drag and drop your XLSX or your CSV. So Bulk Listing Pro actually uses its own CSV, and it actually works directly with Etsy, so it's configured to work with Etsy. Come over to your panel and click on download spreadsheet template, and that template is what you'll fill out. So if you click on that, it's going to download to your desktop, and then you can go into your downloads and open it up, right? And since that one's empty, of course it's going to be empty here, but we have several different ways of interacting with that form. And one is using the grid view. So here in the grid view, you'll be able to go through each field through however many that you're working through. I'm going to delete this here. We'll leave it here for now. So again, everything is kind of user friendly. If you're familiar with Excel, you'll be able to work right through here. You have your title column, your description column, price category, same as your form fill here. If you prefer to work out of the form view, you can do that here. And once you're done with the listing, click on this checkbox. It's going to open up here, and then you'll be able to send these to the queue, and the queue resides on this side of the panel. So once you add it to the queue, you'll be able to upload it directly to Etsy. So we already have one in the queue, digital photography book. We can upload it as a draft, or we can publish it instantly. I would recommend draft. That way, once it's on Etsy, you'll be able to edit it and proofread it before you go online. So I'm going to click Start Upload. It's going to direct me straight to my listing and automatically upload this item. So if you have hundreds or even thousands, which I know there are some users that have 1,000 listings, this is a very useful tool that you'll be able to use and kind of fire and forget, where you go ahead and click your upload and it's going to go through each listing and upload that for you. So carpal tunnel, taking breaks, all of that is a thing of the past. So again, thanks for sticking around. Head over to the Chrome store and upload or download Etsy bulk listing, and you will have a great tool for you and your Etsy store. Thanks a lot.